Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another upload of It's a Dire Thing. Rob here. And what do we got? Ooh, we got another set of keys. What's that going to be for? Let's take a look at it. Oh, it is the little MT-03 2025 from Yamaha. Let's go take it for a little rip and see what the 2025 is all about. Yeah. Well, good day, everybody. Welcome back to another upload of It's a Dire Thing. Rob here, and before we go any further ahead, don't forget to hit the notification and the subscription. This way you'll always be up to date on everything that we do. So today we are riding on the Yamaha 2025 MT-03, and yeah, I must say this is a small bike. Like, by no means, I'm not a big guy, but I'm a big guy, right? And so I'm what, 235 sexy pounds, and I'm 5'11", I would like to say. I feel like I'm really not cramped up, but I feel like I am really embedded into this bike. Like it's an itty bitty little thing. I'm quite impressed. Now, mind you, I did own a 2015 R3, right? And there hasn't been much change ever since the first launch of the R3 to the newer ones and to the MT-03 as well, right? So still same platform, just a little bit different ergonomics, right, in regards to riding position and stuff like that, without the clip-ons and fairing, right? So, but other than that, the bike itself, it's still the same 320cc parallel twin little thumper of a bike. Super smooth, super nice, a lot of fun. 2025 though, however, does come with a couple of really nice cool features here for the North America. Number one is now it has a quick shift enabled, so it is a standalone accessory you added on from factory Yamaha, right? So you buy that and it's the whole shifter assembly for 2025 only, right? So it allows you to do a quick shift up without having to use a clutch, which is pretty cool, I guess. Not bad, right? Does the R3 or MT-03 need it? I don't know, but you know what, whatever floats your boat, right? Other than that, there's kind of a couple of other little accessories. It's really nice. Now it comes with a standard USB port here, which is really cool, so you can get like a little phone mount and run your cable there, so it charges up your battery at the same time, or your GPS. Does come with Y-Connect from Yamaha, so that is an app that you can download onto your mobile device, and there is communication between your bike and yourself as the rider. Does not have navigation, but it does have notification, so you can get a glimpse notification of an email, a notification of a text message, or an incoming call, right? So that's about it for that, right? There you can also check the performance of the bike and any service intervals and service informations just on the mobile device itself, not from the dash here, right? So other than that, it's a basic little fun entry bike for any kind of rider or somebody who doesn't want to spend too much, right? So I know like the R3 was coming in just around 6G, right, for that, and then the MT03 would just be slightly a little bit less. Really isn't that much to tell on on the MT03, but it is it's smooth, right? It's very, very smooth. 6 gears, right? So still manual transmission. Top speed, I would have to say probably around, depending on the size of the person or whatever like that, give or take maybe 170 kilometers an hour. It's not meant for speed, but the R3, same thing, same chassis. You know what, is so nimble, very nice linear bike to ride in any of the types of curves and twisty roads. Very forgiving, right? So you know, you can hit that. Watch, look at this idiot, what's going on here? Yeah, dum-dums, right? Like I was saying, you could do anything to this bike, right? And it's not going to get you into trouble, right? Now, the drivers around you, that's a whole different question, right? So, thing that I don't like on these, I don't like, again, these new type flashers, right? New type style mirror mounts. I really dislike these mirror mounts. I prefer the old traditional mirror mounts from Yamaha, from the first generation MTs, due to the fact that it allows you to pivot and swivel them. These ones here, if you try to swivel it, because let's say you're parking your bike in an underground or in a you know, if you're in a tight space and you need to kind of bring in these mirrors, the second you pull it out, you end up loosening the mirror, so it kind of sucks, right? Other than that, ride position, like I said, you're a little bit cramped up, right? It's nice. The seat is really narrow right at the front, so for those who are not going to say vertically challenged, but those who are looking to be able to get on a bike and keep it almost at the stock height, just due to the fact for performance wise, but then have trouble putting their feet on the ground, due to the narrow seat, it allows you a lot more reach to the ground. So that's pretty good thing. You don't have to necessarily adjust the suspension or modify the suspension. Quiet, she's very quiet, right? But yeah, no, there it is. I mean, again, you know what, it's been out, R3/MT03. They've been out there since 2015, so they've got 10 years now under the belt, and the bike has been a fantastic little bike ever since. So here we are at work, things to do on a beautiful Monday. So, but other than that, keep yourself safe. Until next time. Oh, here, let's go see Jason. Till next time, be good, be safe. Take care, and don't forget, keep it covered.